Braun MultiQuick 7.3. One immersion blender with food is designed for handling smoothies, drinks, sauces, or chopping tasks with one motor base. Check whether its configuration fits that job. This video contains affiliate links, and I may earn a commission from qualifying purchases. The supplied listing states, Independent Research Institute, Sales Leader Full Year 2024. This matters most when evaluating the listed motor, container, blade, and preset arrangement. It also states, the world's first easy SmartSpeed technology has no predefined speed settings. Just follow your intuition for the results you want. Use that detail to judge whether the included capacity matches normal batch sizes, rather than treating the feature list as proof of performance. For everyday ownership, check dishwasher guidance, blade handling, cabinet clearance, and how many pieces need cleaning. Before ordering, confirm dimensions, included parts, power, and compatibility. The main limitation is that high-power blenders can be loud, and a large pitcher is less convenient for small servings or storage. Buyers making mostly single portions may prefer a compact personal blender. Overall, Braun MultiQuick 7.3. One immersion blender with food best fit shoppers focused on handling smoothies, drinks, sauces, or chopping tasks with one motor base whose setup matches the supported facts.